All right, cable's back up at 27.28. We're back up here. We got the head of the snake leading. We've just made a lower low. We're at 29. Let me try one. I'm going to short cable at 30. All right, we're basically head of the snake's leading. We're at a 5-minute entry, if you will. But the one has just made a lower low. We've come up lower highs and lower lows here. And we've got clear roads for the most part down to 14. We've got this one slow car in 23. It's already shown me that it wants to try to go lower with a lower low here. I would like to see some more price action, however. That is one thing I would like to see on this cable is a little more price action, because last time we got in, it kind of got stuck at a few places. So we're back in. We're back in at 30. Not quite our 34 entry, but I'll take it because we were basically at our 5-minute box and 1-minute white zone, and it's an overall good grid setup. I'm only going to put a stop over, I guess, the L7. We're in at 40, so 50. I'm saying we're in at 30, so it's probably going to be a 10 pip stop. We're at 24.26 right now. All right, so let's see if we can't get this thing to attempt a lower low. If we get to 13.14, I'm going to take the whole thing off. I'm not going to keep any of it past that. If we have a problem at 23-ish, I might take a little bit off at 23 if we can't get any lower, like I see that it's visibly having a problem making a lower low. But I would like to see 13.14. I don't think it's out of the question. We've just now, where we entered, we made a lower high again. So we've been making lower highs and lower lows. Let's just keep that trend going. Here's 22.23 here. I'm going to give it a fair chance here to break this 23 slow car. We're at 22.23 right now. Okay, I'm looking at 20.21 plus 9. I'm looking for us to attack these lows. There's 20 plus 10. I'm at 19.20. All right, there's 17. I'm at 15.17 plus 13. I'm thinking on taking all out. All right, let's take it all off. 17 plus 13, and I'm out. And there's plus 16. All right, I'm just going to type it in, but I'm out at 17 plus 13. All right, and there's 15.16, but I mean, we're close. I mean, we're so close. I don't want to hang if it's just going to sit there. I'd rather just go ahead and take it, not worry about the last 2 or 3 pips. We'll try to get them on another high probability trade. But that was a pretty sweet trend trade from the 5-minute. We took it from the 5-minute box down to basically the roadblock. It's at 14. I'm sorry, it's at 16.17 now. So you could still it's at 15.17. So even if you hadn't gotten out, you could still get this out right now. And here's 16 at a better price than I did. But yeah, anybody else take any of that? I mean, that is a textbook trade right there. That was as far as the head of the snake leading. We're at the 5-minute entry. We took the clear roads to the roadblock. And it looks like it could go further. Don't get me wrong. I mean, if it breaks this 14.13, we could see it down to 97 without a problem. And honestly, trades from 30 area or even the 127.30 are still valid right now. 40 is even better, but I would just keep your stop above 40. So as close as you can get to 40 is where you want to go short, and the good levels are the ones that line up. So this 30 is a nice level. 80.81 on euro yen, but it's moving fast. 83.84. Here's 90 on euro dollar. Here's 95 on euro dollar, but moving fast. That's why I'm hesitating to jump in. Okay, here's 95. This is the area I like on both of these I should be taking. Here's 0203, but what's going on? I mean, when you move up this fast, you don't want to jump in front of a train. All right, should I try 02? Let me get short euro dollar right here at 01. I mean, I'm tempted euro yen too, but I don't know exactly. All right, we're short at 01. Here's 94.95 plus 6. All right, I think I might even, here's 94 plus 7. All right, I'm going to take this just because it gives me 20 on the day. So I'm out plus 7. Man, it snapped right back up too. And I wouldn't mind even possibly seeing what the price action does. Wait for a lower high and maybe getting back in on this. Here, it's back up to 01 right now.